Another way of doing this problem, which is to increase $200 by 7%, is if we look at it diagrammatically. So let's say, for example, I have got my $200 expressed as a bar. So this bar now is $200. This bar is also 100% of my money. So 100% of all the money that I've got is $200. Now, I'm told to increase 200 by 7%. So I've got to work out what is 7% of $200. So I'll calculate here, down here, I'll work out what 7% is. And I find that the 7% works to be $14. Okay? I take this $14, which is 7% of my 100%, which is 7% of my $200, which is $14, and I put it on top of my 200 because I'm asked to increase my 200 by 7%. So I take this $14 and I put it on top. Now my total amount is not going to be 200, but it's going to be 200 plus 14. But notice, what is my total percentage? My total percentage is going to be this 100% plus the 7% which I've put on top. So the total amount, if we actually look at how much is that total amount from the bottom right up there, it's going to be 100 plus 7. So this is going to be 107%. This figure here, my new bar, is going to be 107% of 200. Originally I had 100%, which was 200, but if I add on it the 7%, my finished amount is 107% of 200. So there's two ways we can do this. I could calculate the 7% of 200, or I can work out what is this final figure, which is a 214, simply by saying, well, what's $200 times my full height of my percentage bar, which is 107%, which we rewrite as 107 over 100. Let's do the calculation. Cancel the zeros. 2 times 107 gives me $214. In one step, I've worked out what is my original, or what is my final price, what is my final amount after I increased 200 by 7%, which is in fact 107% of $200.